But we have time up to 10:25 only, so we are starting first. The basic part we have covered, that is POs, PSOs, all that things we have written already. So now we go to, I guess syllabus is also done. Now to the formulae. Okay, so we are writing some formulae which are important. First formula type is algebra, where we will see the squares, cube and power n. So the first formula is a plus b square. Do you remember? It's a square plus 2ab plus b square. And if you want to modify it, like if you want just a square plus b square, so we can just shift that 2ab to the left hand side as minus. So a square plus b square is a plus b bracket square minus 2ab. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Sure. Next formula, a minus b square. Similarly, middle term is sorry, middle term is negative. And similar formula, a square plus b square, if you want in minus a minus b square. So this is the formula. Note it down. Okay, next is a plus b plus c bracket square. 3 term square, first term square, second term square, third term square, plus twice of first, second, plus twice of second, third, plus twice of first, third. This is the formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Cube, a plus b cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Here ab is common with 3, so we have taken out 3ab into a plus b. Next, a minus b cube. If it is a minus b cube, so it is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Please note down. Okay, this is important. A square minus b. Am I audible? Is there any problem?
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
दिसते पण तुम्हाला हे विजिबल आहे?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, चलो next. A square minus b square. Formula. This is important. पुढे आपल्याला भरपूर ठिकाणी लागेल. A square minus b square. If it is there, it is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Next, a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. If it is minus, then minus here and plus everywhere. And if it is plus, plus here and minus here. A cube plus b cube, it is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And last formula, a raised to n minus b raised to n. I think you have seen this in expansion formulae, Maclaurin series, Taylor series. In there you have seen this formula. A raised to n minus b raised to n. It is a minus b into a raised to n minus 1 plus a raised to n minus 2b. Here it is b raised to 0. Here it is b raised to 1. Here it is b square. powers of B are increasing and powers of A are decreasing. N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 3, and no A raised to 0 is there last. We have one more formula in terms of combination. Do you know that? A raised to N minus B raised to N. It is NC0, A raised to N, B raised to 0. Do you remember? A plus NC1, A raised to N minus 1, B raised to 1. This is the formula. You can write that as. And A raised to N is nothing but multiplication of A up to N times. Multiplication of A N times. This is A raised to N. And what is N factorial? What is N factorial? Can you tell me?
N minus 1 factorial.
No. I'm just asking.
N into N minus 1 factorial.
Yes, N into N minus 1 factorial. I'm not asking factorial. What is the meaning of N factorial? Multiplication of
nth number.
yes, up to N numbers. First to N. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to N. This is multiplication of N numbers, means N factorial. Right? Okay, next formula. A raised to M into A raised to N. A is the base is common addition of indices. So here M plus N happens. Addition happens. Base is same, addition. So A raised to M plus N. If it is minus N here, then it will be minus here like this. A raised to M upon A raised to N. If it goes to the numerator A raised to N, how will A raised to minus N? Again, base is same, addition. M plus minus N means M minus N. So it is A raised to M minus N. This happens when your M is greater than N. असं असेल तर हा वरती जाईल. जेव्हा M मोठा असेल N वरती जातो. हा पार्ट वर जाईल. A raised to M minus 1, M is greater than N असेल तेव्हा. आणि हा M आणि N जर सेमच असेल तर हे दोघं कॅन्सल होऊन जातील and the answer is 1. And if N is greater than M, जर हा N मोठा असेल तर हा खाली येईल. आणि जेव्हा हा खाली येईल, बेसिस अगेन सेम, हा मायनस होईल, A raised to N minus M होईल. Where M is less than N. And your A should not be 0. A जर 0 झालास तर प्रॉब्लेम काय होईल? डिनॉमिनेटर 0 होईल आणि डिनॉमिनेटर 0 झाला की हे सगळं इन्फिनिटीला जाईल. सो A should not be 0. That's the meaning. Okay, next. A raised to M, raised to N. Raised to जेव्हा असेल, whenever there is raised to some raised to power. So raised to and its raised to are actually the multipliers to each other. So this M and N are actually the multipliers. असं नाही करायचं. A raised to M raised to N म्हणजे M raised to N करायचा. No. M into N करायचं. ठीक आहे? So it is A raised to M into N, or we can do A raised to N raised to M. Okay, so whenever I ask you what is 2 raised to 4 raised to 2, what do you say?
2 raised to 8.
2 raised to 8, very good. You will not say 2 raised to 4 raised to 2 means 4 square, okay? This is wrong. You will say 2 raised to 4 raised to 2. 4 raised to 2, originally 2 raised to 4 and raised to 2, that raised to are multiplied. So 2 raised to 8 it is there, okay? Next. AB raised to N. So it is A raised to N into B raised to N. This power you can give both of them, A and B, if they are multiplied. Sorry. Next, A upon B raised to N. Again, that raised to N can go to the both numerator, denominator, a raised to n upon b raised to n. Done writing? जाऊया पुढे.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, some differentiation formulae. So first formula is derivative of constant with respect to any variable, say x, y, z, whatever. So they have taken here x. Whenever we take derivative, this x is which variable? There are two types of variables. Do you know? Okay, forget, we'll take this later. So derivative of constant is always 0 with respect to any variable. If there is a constant, so derivative of constant is 0. Next, derivative of two functions added or subtracted. So we take derivative of first function plus minus whatever as it is, derivative of second function. Derivative generally we denote by dash. Okay, so derivative gets separated with addition, subtraction. Next, k is a multiplier, constant term. So derivative of k into some function, so that k comes out as it is, and derivative f of x is there. That is, we write f dashes. K comes out as a constant. Next, derivative of f of x into g of x. This is the formula we know by uv. Yes, uv dash plus v into u dash. Derivative of uv. So here they have written f of x, g of x, the first function into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. F into g dash plus g into f dash. Next is u by v. Derivative of u by v. What is formula? V derivative u minus u derivative v upon v square. Right? So g of x into f dash x minus f of x into g dash x upon denominator square. So g of x square. Next formula is of composition. How is a function? F of g of x. So derivative of such thing is f dash, whatever is this, derivative of this f first, f dash of g of x into derivative of that g of x, g dash of x. Write it down. F dash of g of x into g dash of x. Done. Tell me once done. We can go to next slide. चलेंगे आगे? हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sure. Next is derivative of some functions. Derivative of e raised to x. It is e raised to x itself. So can I just ask you, what is derivative of e raised to ax? A is constant. What is derivative of e raised to ax? A constant.
Log x.
E raised to ax derivative is e raised to ax itself. So what is derivative of e raised to ax?
A raised to x into log a.
No, why log a?
A into e raised to
A into, yes, very good. E raised to ax, derivative is e raised to ax, and that with respect to x, we are taking derivative again. Derivative of e raised to ax is e raised to ax into derivative of that ax is a. So it is a into e raised to ax. Okay, remember, तुम्ही जे log म्हणताय ते a raised to x म्हणताय. Function is e raised to. Whenever it is e raised to, it is e itself. Derivative is e itself. You have to just take care of this e raised to whatever is the function. That derivative of that function comes into multiplying. So like it is e raised to 1x. So it is derivative of that 1x is 1. So 1 is here. But no need to write that into 1, right? So whenever there is a, so into a should be there. So what is the derivative of e raised to minus 3x?
minus 3 into e raised to x.
Yes, very good. Minus 3 into e raised to minus 3x. Okay, next formula. A raised to x. Now it is a can be any number, 2 raised to x, 3 raised to x, any constant. So it is a raised to x into log a. Sorry. So this is your formula of derivative of a raised to x. Now the below formula all are standard. Derivative of sine inverse x, it is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Sine inverse, cos inverse formula are same. There is just positive negative difference. Sine inverse x is plus 1. Cos inverse x, there is negative sign. Terms are same. Next, derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. And derivative of cot inverse, again there is a negative sign. So minus 1 upon x square plus 1. Next, derivative of sec inverse and cosec inverse. So it is 1 upon mod x into root x square minus 1. And cosec inverse is negative sign. Just note down. Done. Now, if it is ax here, derivative of sine inverse ax, what will be the formula? Or tan inverse of ax. Okay, forget. I'll tell you when its turn comes. Okay, next formula. We have less time today. Tomorrow we can discuss. We'll see this formula and we'll stop. Derivative of x raised to n. It is n into x raised to n minus 1. Important formula. तुम्हाला हे लक्षात ठेवावे लागतील. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. And derivative of cot x is minus of cosec square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. And derivative cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Okay, write it.
Recording in progress.
Okay, today we have less time. As your next session is there at 10:30 something. So we have to join that. My time was up to 10:25 today. So we'll meet in your next lecture with some more formulae. Yes, do you want to say something? Okay, put your attendance and you can leave. Thank you. Bye.